Hi, Mr. Micklick here again with another installment of the Warriors Woodshop. Today we're going to be looking at your Nantucket bench and specifically looking at how to lay out your curves and radiuses on your end panels to make the design pattern that you need. To start, you're going to go by measuring out your pattern. We're going to need to find the center point on your blueprints to get our 1 3/4 radius. We do this by measuring down 1 3/4 from the top and 1 inch in. When you have this mark, take your scratch awl, go to the center where those two lines intersect, and give it a little tap so you have an indentation for your compass to ride on. From there, we will now set up our next points. I go into my blueprints. The straight edge is 2 inches over, so I sit here and I'm going to measure 2 inches up. Take my square, just carry that line down so I can start to see my bench end develop. From there, I have the information to where I can set up my compass, and again, I do this by loosening up the locking nut, setting my compass to 1 3/4, locking it back down, putting my point in the indentation I just made, and make about a half circle. From here, you will take your straight edge rule, line it up so your pencil can hit the edge or tip, and then take it to where it comes off the back edge of your circle. Erase extra lines at this point in time. The material then to the left is scrap material that you will cut off using the band saw. This is where we develop our pattern. You will then proceed onto the bottom layout. From here, I will notice that I am 5 inches from the edge and I'm 4 inches to the top. So again, I'll make my marks. This is now a 3/4 radius. So set my compass up to 3/4 of radius. Take my scratch awl again. Make a circle. Again, you do not need to make a full circle, just about half a circle. You will then have to repeat this process on the right side to finish off that bottom half of your bench. So again, measure 5 in, 4 up, give it a tap. Compass should already be set up. From here, our bottoms, if you look at the blueprints, are 2 3/4 from the end. So I will need that measurement as well on both ends. Take your square, continue the line up. Now, just like before, you will then take your ruler, find the edge of where it meets with that circle, draw a line. Same thing to the other side. Draw a line. Take the two top portions, connect the top of your circles. And now this material will also be cut out on the bandsaw and then sanded down to the line. As always, if you have questions, please see your instructor.